Stop buying budget 4K drones that promise cinematic footage but deliver shaky, low-quality video. Watch this video till the end because today I'm counting down the top 5 best budget 4K drones of 2026, and by the end, you'll know which drone gives the best value for your money. I'll cover the key features, real-world performance, and biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. New L600 GPS Drone. The L600 GPS Drone is a beginner-friendly option that combines affordability with useful smart flying features. It comes with a 4K dual-lens camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS positioning, and 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. The lightweight foldable design makes it easy to carry for travel, outdoor adventures, or casual weekend flying. Review highlights. For a budget drone, the L600 Plus performs surprisingly well in open outdoor environments. GPS-assisted flight helps maintain stability, while the obstacle avoidance system adds extra confidence for beginner pilots. The footage quality is solid for social media content and casual aerial photography. Pros: 4K dual-lens camera system, 3-axis gimbal for smoother footage, GPS-assisted stable flight, portable foldable design, good beginner-friendly controls. Number 4. L600 PRO GPS Drone. The L600 PRO is designed for users who want more advanced features without jumping into expensive professional drones. It features a 4K HD dual camera setup, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. Its aerodynamic build and upgraded motor system help improve flight stability and wind resistance. Review highlights. This drone delivers smoother flight performance than many entry-level models in the same price range. The brushless motors operate quietly and efficiently, while the FPV transmission provides responsive real-time viewing during flight. It's a strong option for beginners looking to step into more serious drone filming. Pros: stable GPS flight system, brushless motors improve durability, 5G FPV real-time video transmission, reliable obstacle avoidance features, smooth aerial recording performance. Number 3. S.X1 Max GPS Drone. This drone is built for users who want longer flight range and enhanced control features. It comes with a 3-axis gimbal, 8K/4K camera support, LCD remote controller display, and up to 5,000-meter FPV transmission capability. It also includes 3 batteries, allowing for extended flying sessions without constant charging interruptions. Review highlights. The included LCD controller gives this drone a more premium experience, especially for outdoor flying. Flight handling feels responsive, and the stabilized camera system helps capture smoother landscape footage. The extra batteries are a major advantage for travelers and creators who need longer flight time. Pros: long-range FPV transmission, LCD screen remote controller, 3 batteries included, stable 3-axis gimbal system, good value for extended flying sessions. Number 2. New L600 PRO Max Drone. The L600 PRO Max stands out with its upgraded 8K HD camera support, advanced GPS navigation, and improved obstacle avoidance technology. It features a professional-style 3-axis gimbal and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for smoother live video transmission. The drone is also equipped with brushless motors that improve efficiency and flight stability. Review highlights. This drone performs impressively well for its price category. Video stabilization is smoother than many budget competitors, and the obstacle avoidance system helps make flying safer for newer users. It's an excellent choice for capturing cinematic outdoor shots, travel footage, and landscape videos. Pros: 8K capable camera system, advanced obstacle avoidance, smooth stabilized footage, strong GPS flight accuracy, excellent value for creators. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. Taking the top spot is the Potensic Atom 2, one of the best compact 4K drones available for budget-conscious buyers. It features true 4K HDR video, 8K photo capability, AI night shooting, AI tracking, and a professional 3-axis gimbal system. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many registration requirements while remaining extremely portable. Review highlights. The Atom 2 delivers the most polished overall experience on this list. Video quality is sharp, stabilization is excellent, and intelligent tracking features make it incredibly easy to capture professional-looking footage. The lightweight design combined with long-range transmission makes it ideal for travel, YouTube content, and cinematic aerial photography. Pros: excellent 4K HDR video quality, AI tracking and night shooting features, lightweight under 249-gram design, professional-grade stabilization, best balance of performance and portability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, stabilization, flight performance, smart features, portability, and overall value, the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone is the best overall budget 4K drone for most users in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.